Hello guys, it's Sam here with Investing with Sam. Today I'm going to be doing another video on HIMS, stock ticker symbol HIMS and hers. If you follow this channel, you probably know that I'm a huge investor in this company. Most of my portfolio is covered by HIMS and hers. I own 1,609 shares as of today. That is, I'm down 21%. I was down 30% last month. I did buy on the dip around August the 21st, August the 20th. I believe August the 20th. Sorry. Um, of the last trading day of that week. I bought some shares of HIMS. It was, on a right low trend. If I show you here, yeah, Friday, $7. I mean, if you look on the 6 month chart, around August, around here, we were near all-time low. So that was a great time to buy, I reckon. Since then, we've been on a slow uptrend. I mean, on a month-to-month basis, on the 1 month, only at 1.46%. I mean, it's not crazy, but it's been very volatile. It is a volatile stock. One, because it is a SPAC, but if you follow this channel, you know I talk a lot about HIMS. Every bit of news that comes out, big news that comes out, I cover. So obviously, it's only right for me to cover this. Obviously, over the last 2 weeks, we've had massive news. I haven't covered the news yet. I've got two bits of news that I think are great. Partnerships with celebrities. One being Miley Cyrus. If you follow the brand HIMS and hers, you'd know that she's obviously partnered up with them. She has a huge following, especially on Twitter, as you can see here. There's some pictures here. Um, she's done a couple tweets. She also does Instagram posting and stuff like that. I mean, it's great. I really do think it's a good move for the hers program to go forward with that. I mean, she has a huge following. Um, I mean, 46.3 million followers on Twitter, 144 million on Instagram. This is a huge following. It's gonna be great for the company, I think. I mean, I believe that she has been given shares. Don't correct me on that. I believe she's been given shares, and she has. If you want to read this article here, it says HIMS and hers recruits Miley Cyrus as creative advisor, which I believe that possibly means that she's been given shares. So possibly we might be seeing some more advertising of her in the next, year or so. I don't know how long she's going to keep up with this role. I don't know. I don't know the deal, the whole stuff behind it, but I do know that she's a partner within hers, which is great. I think that's great. Very happy with that. I mean, she has a huge following. As long as she can keep promoting and stuff like that, and she doesn't sell out of her shares within the next year or so. I hope it is a long-term agreement, and I hope that she stays with the company for a long period of time. Hence, because I'm a long-term investor, I believe in this company long-term. Obviously, I have made some mistakes. I did buy it with the all-time highs of $22 just after Kathy Wood got in, and averaged my way all the way down. Since then, I've learned a lot. Definitely has been a massive lesson, mostly about market valuation, about looking at market valuations and earnings. As before, I was just looking at the company and the industry it was in and knowing that there was growth ahead of it, but I wasn't really looking at the market cap. And this was a time, where the stock market was very overvalued, should I say. There's a lot of retail investors like myself there and then. Still today, I am one. Didn't really have a lot of knowledge on the stock market, so we didn't know no better. But now that this has happened, I've learned a key lesson. Whatever comes up must come down. If it's not at the right market valuation, there has to be a reason for it to be an overvalued price. Um, and since then, I've been averaging down. As I said, I have 1,609 shares as of today, with an average price of $10.60. So hence why I'm down 20%. If I would have bought at these type of prices here, maybe I wouldn't have been down that much. If I didn't buy at the $22 range, if I maybe bought, I don't know, maybe a bit cheaper, then we wouldn't be at the situation we're at. Right now, my game plan. I've said it in my last couple of videos. Just buy here and there. I'm not planning to buy any more unless we keep going down. If there's days where we go down 6%, I mean, I only bought two shares today. Around, I think it was around here, $8.30. We were down 4% at the time. Um, I thought, why not grab just two shares? That's all I'm doing right now. It ain't gonna make much impact, but it is always. Anyway, the second bit of news. This is for the HIMS side of the company. This guy here, I don't know his name. Rob, I can't even pronounce that. Rob Gronkowski. I don't know if I pronounced that right. He's an NFL player. I believe he played with Tom Brady last year. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm from the UK, so I don't really watch American football like that. But he has a huge following. I think it's great. A lot of sports fans obviously must follow him. 4.4 million, a bit lower than obviously Miley Cyrus, but I think it's just as good. I mean, look, he's promoting the brand. Um, Obviously, I'm not going to log in there, but yeah, he's promoting the brand. I think it's a great move for the company, to obviously partner up with Miley Cyrus and I can't even pronounce it. I keep messing it up. Yeah, I can't even say it, I'm stuttering. Rob Gronkowski. Damn, boy. I am going for it today. Um, yeah. Oh, I can't even pronounce it. I'm not even gonna go ahead with it. I'm just gonna call him Rob from now on. But yeah, there is some coverage on this article on Yahoo Finance. I'll get it up here. Um, it says HIMS and Hers partners with Rob. I'm gonna call him Rob from now on to bring awareness to men's health issue and treatment. Uh, yeah, I think I've said what I've had to say. Obviously, these celebrities have a huge following, so it's great for the company. Hopefully, it's a long-term partnership. Uh, I don't know the disclosed fee for how much they got paid or how many shares they've been given. Obviously, we'll find out in the next quarterly earnings. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's all I can really say. Just a bit of an update. I always do my updates on my companies. I haven't done a video on Hims and Hers for a while now, possibly a month. For new people following my account on YouTube, they'll think a month, that's nothing. But normally I used to do videos like once a week, twice a week, on HIMS if there was massive news. But for now, um, I'm just gonna do videos when there's a huge bit of news, or when before quarterly earnings come through, and when the earnings results come through, just to give you my thought and give you an update on my investment. Like I said, when I break even, I will sell some shares, or when I make a bit of profit from it, just because my portfolio is quite condensed with Hims and Hers. I mean, um, I'll say I have Hims and Hers covers about 50% of my portfolio, which is terrible. Um, I know it is very bad, so obviously I do definitely need to take some shares out when I break even. Really depends on my situation with my other positions. I do believe in them long term. I'm looking to hold a long term investment with them. Uh, this is the mistake I made. Obviously, I bought at $22 at the all-time high. That was just my start-off initial investment, and I was averaging down from $20 to $17, $15, $11, and ever since then I've just kept on averaging down. So yeah, I'm quite. It's not good, but it can either work in my favor or it obviously won't. But other than that, guys, please like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.